What if I told you that traveling across the solar system could one day be as easy as taking a road trip? An invisible network of highways already exists in space. They're called gravitational manifolds, and they could revolutionize the way we explore the cosmos. But what exactly are these mysterious pathways, and how can they help us unlock the secrets of the universe? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see space travel in an entirely new way. Let's break it down. Gravitational manifolds are like cosmic highways created by the gravitational pull of planets, moons, and the sun. Imagine gravity as a giant web, with each celestial body pulling on the space around it. Where these forces overlap, they create invisible pathways, routes that require almost no energy to travel. Think of it like an escalator in space. Once you're on it, gravity does most of the work for you. These manifolds connect planets and moons, allowing objects to hop from one point to another. And here's the kicker, they're not just theoretical. ISRO and other space agencies have already used them. In 1997, the European Space Agency's Huygens probe used a gravitational manifold to hitch a ride to Saturn's moon Titan. Without it, the mission would have cost significantly more in fuel. You might be wondering, if these manifolds are so great, why aren't we using them more often? Well, the answer is both simple and complex. While they save energy, they take time. These highways aren't the fastest route, they're the most efficient. But their potential is huge. Picture this, future spacecraft could use gravitational manifolds to reach the outer planets, or even beyond, without needing massive amounts of fuel. This could make missions to explore distant moons, mine asteroids, or even colonize Mars far more affordable and practical. And it doesn't stop there. Scientists believe that comets and asteroids naturally use these highways to move across the solar system. In fact, understanding manifolds could even help us predict the paths of hazardous asteroids. So, what's next? Researchers are mapping these highways in more detail, creating a kind of GPS for space travel. Imagine a future where spacecraft don't just blast off, they navigate these natural routes to save energy and resources. And here's the exciting part. Gravitational manifolds aren't just a solar system thing. Similar principles might exist in other star systems, or even in interstellar space. Could these hidden highways one day lead us to new worlds? Maybe even alien civilizations? The cosmic superhighway shows us that the universe is full of hidden opportunities, if we're clever enough to find them. The cosmic superhighway isn't science fiction, it's science fact. These gravitational pathways could redefine how we explore the universe and remind us that the cosmos is far more interconnected than we ever imagined. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, the road to the stars might already be paved.